Hello everyone! Today is very special because we will be talking about my ebook. After 2 years in the making, it's finally here and I couldn't be more excited. My ebook is called the LipstickSmoothie Makeup Guide, and it's an ebook with more than 200 pages, and it is designed to help you with your everyday makeup life. As you can see here, there are two main sections. The first one is called All About Makeup, and it covers all the basics about eyes, lips and the base, while the second part is called the 8-week makeup plan. The idea behind it was to create a one-stop place for all your makeup questions and inspiration. For example, have you ever opened an eyeshadow palette and thought, what do I do now? Or have you ever felt stuck in a makeup rut? Or simply, did you want more tips and tricks, or just did you want to refresh some knowledge that you already have? Well, the makeup guide is all about this and more. It's a kind of a makeup library with a lot of makeup ideas, and you can experiment with lots of looks and find your signature look. You can think of the makeup guide as your makeup cookbook, but instead of food recipes, you're going to find makeup recipes. A very cool feature of the makeup guide is that it is interactive, so you can click on a section and then you will go on the page. The first section is called All About Makeup, and the makeup routine is broken down into every step. So for the base, you're going to find primer, foundation and so on. For the eyes, you're going to find eyeshadow, mascara, and then for the lips, a lip liner, lipstick and so on. So let's go to the first one, the primer. So every chapter is structured in the same way so that you can find your information very easily. At the beginning, you always have a first introduction, then the 3 questions where I answer yes, yes and no, then the did you know section where you can find some fun facts, and then the must know with the most important information that you need to know, and finally my tip with my special recommendation for you. Okay, let's now click on the 8-week makeup plan. And the makeup plan is a makeup library with 8 styles for 8 weeks, and each style is broken down into 4 looks. So you have 3 more day appropriate looks, so to speak, and then 1 night look. So in total you have 32 makeup looks, but it doesn't stop here, because for each look you're going to get also a variation. So I'm going to show you how to replicate the same look with different colors. So basically, you're going to have infinite makeup options. What I personally really like about the makeup guide are also the makeup tracker charts. So even if this is called a makeup plan, this does not mean that you have to follow it strictly. You can jump from one week to another, from one style to another, and you can just go at your own pace. These charts are bullet journal friendly charts, and you can print them or you can use them interactively, and you can just note down the date, the thoughts, the color and the reaction, so everything about your makeup experience. So let's have a look at the makeup plan finally. This is week 1, style 1, and it's called Basics. So as I mentioned, for every week there's a new style and 4 looks. And every week comes with your makeup tracker chart for the week, and then you're going to find your looks. So for week 1, style 1, look 1 is called One Color Eyes, and for every look you're going to find the brushes and the colors that you're going to need. Then you're going to find your pictorial with all the steps, and then you're going to find the variations. So no matter what your skin tone is, your preferences are, or just your mood is, you can choose the colors that you prefer. And I will also show you how to change small things like the waterline or the eyeliner. So if you have been struggling with your makeup inspiration, or if you have thought that too much beauty information was actually a bit overwhelming for you, the makeup guide is here to help you. My wish is to encourage you to try different makeup techniques and style so that you can find the makeup looks that work best for you, for your personality and for your features. The makeup guide comes in 2 formats, one for smartphones and one for tablets. So whenever you want, you can always pull the makeup guide up I don't know, if you're commuting, for example, or if you're on the go, if you're at school, at uni, or at work, you can always check the makeup guide. And that's it for this video. You're going to find all the links and the details in the description box here below, and I hope you will enjoy planning your makeup inspiration with me. And this is the end.